Hi guys, and welcome into a new tutorial on updating the firmware of your GoPro Hero action camera. In my case is the GoPro HERO7 Black. Because I haven't used it in a while, I saw that there is a new firmware version available. So we need to open the GoPro Quick program and connect the camera to the USB cable. Now power up the camera. It will detect it. And here up you can see that it says there is a new update available for your HERO7 Black. Click on Get Update. Here we see the version is 1.90. Also the general bug fixes. This camera has a few of them, like freezing with the red lights on, mainly this. And now click on the update button here. Don't turn it off, don't disconnect it from the PC. Right now the upgrading process has started and it is installing. It beeps a few times, as you can hear. And now the update process is complete, as it shows on the screen of the camera. And the installing update process should end here also. So it's really very easy to do. Let's turn off the camera. And that's about it. Let's also see if we can look in the this is the GoPro Quick version. Let's look in the camera itself. Okay, so it's in perfect focus. Let's see where it was. About, here in this menu, camera info, and there we can see version number 1.90. So yeah, this is about it. I hope you'll find this video helpful and upgrade your action cam to the latest firmware version possible, and don't encounter any more issues with it. As always, guys, thank you for watching and take care.